Alright, in this video today I'll be unboxing the Amaran 60x. Very portable light. I'm gonna be adding this on into my studio, and as you can see, it comes with the accessories and the battery pack. Let's get this thing open. Alright, put this to the side. And here's the styrofoam box. I do like it. I mean, I heard a lot of people complaining about the box. I have no issues, no problem with that. I think it's just fine. And we open this way. And there we go, there we go, there we go. This is the light. This is the main guy. It's so light, very light, very portable. The 60x. I picked up the 60x because I want to be able to change the color temperature. I could have gone with the 60D, but I think the 60x would just do just fine. I'm gonna set this to the side, and then we have the cover. We have this reflector over here. This particular reflector has a problem where it has a hot spot when you power it on. So I'm actually going to be using a different reflector on it, and I'll see how that works. I'll move that to the side. What else do we have here? Just some documents, some papers. Okay. And it looks like, let's see what's in this. Oh, nice, a fabric diffusion. Comes with a fabric diffusion. Okay. And what we have here? We have the battery pack that can attach to the side over here. I guess this goes on something. This goes on something like that, so you can attach the batteries to it. That's really nice. That's really nice actually. I do like it a lot. So I don't have to depend on the power supply. I have several batteries. I can just plug in there and I'm able to use it. All right, let's put that back to the side, and we have the power cable, the power brick. Now, this is a lengthy cable. It's a very long cable. That's good. That's good. That's good. What else? What else? Okay, and we do have this mount here. Wow, very solid actually. Very solid cable. Solid mounts. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna set that to the side. And last but not the least, we have the power cord. Now, this power cord is actually quite very long. I might change it out. I might change it out for a shorter one because I don't need all this cable lying around. All right. And let's actually pop this open. Let's pop this open. So you have to press this down, and there we go. Comes with a nice cover. So if we need to pack it up and take it on take it out of the studio, if we need to take it out of the studio, and also it does come with the Bluetooth app, so we'll get that also set up. And that is everything in the box. I don't think we're missing anything. I'm going to attach the Amaran 60x to my modeling light. That's the main reason why I got this guy. I just want to be able to have some modeling shaped lights in, you know, in the background. So let's go ahead and attach this, make sure it fits. Pop this out of there. And let's put this on. Boom, just like that. I'm going to just tighten this a little bit. Now, this is very audible. I like the fact that it's not too heavy. It's not too heavy. Let's go ahead and screw this guy in. Let's screw this guy in. Lock this guy down. Let's get it plugged in so we can see what it looks like.